Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Buick Kiva battery. This is actually a flip key used for different models, different years, LaCrosse, Regal, Verano, Allure and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. Very easy. First we have to open the key, flip it over, then we have to take the cover off. Okay, so we just pull. Pretty easy. And then I take a flathead. I'll show you here. There is a slot right here. I just insert the flathead. Pops out. Okay, once again. This is a good battery. I'll use it. First you put the part here with the V right here. Okay. I call it a V, it's not exactly, but slide it in, the plus sign up, and you press, and that's basically it. To take it out again, right here, okay, back in, first this part, then you press, okay, as you can see, CR2032. Now you put the cover and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Please like this video. Thank you.